Hello students, welcome to today's maths class. So today we are going to start the new topic from your maths book, that is comparison of numbers, page number 41. Let's read the question and let's solve what is comparison of numbers. Okay, so keep your finger. Let's read the first question given in page number 41. There are two baskets A and B. Okay. So what is the question? There are two baskets A and B. The next it is written A has 203 mangoes. Now in both the baskets there are mangoes. Okay, now in A basket how many mangoes? 203 mangoes. Okay, now in the next, B has 98 mangoes. Okay, now the B has 98 mangoes. Now this is a 3-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. Okay, let's read the next line. Amol is asked to take any one basket. He decides to take the one with more mangoes. Okay, now here the boy, he is asked to take any one basket. He can take basket A or he can take basket B. Okay, now here what he decides? He decides to take the basket which has more mangoes. Okay, now 203 has 3 digits. Now 203 has how many digits? 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. And 98 has 2 digits. Ones and tens. Okay. Now here 3 digits are more than 2 digits. Keep this in mind. The 3 digit is more than 2 digits. So 203 and 98. Which one is greater? Greater means big. 203. So we will put a greater sign because this number is more than 98. So which sign is this? This sign is a greater sign. Okay, okay, so Amol took which basket? So he takes the basket A. So Amol took the basket which has more mangoes, that is basket A. He took the basket A. Let's move to the next question. Okay, let's read the next question. There are two purses. There are two purses A and B. A contains 67 rupees. How many rupees? 67 rupees. Now B contains 115 rupees. So here 67 has how many digits? 2 digits. And 115 is a 3-digit number. 67 is a 2-digit number. 115 is a 3-digit number. Now Chavi is asked to take the one which contains more money. Now Chavi is asked to take the purse that contains more money. Okay. Now let's see. I have told you 67 it has 2 digits and 150 it has 3 digits. Now the 3 digit is always more than 2 digit. 3 digit is always more than 2 digits. Okay. Now 3 digits are more than 2 digits. So which one is the bigger number? 115. So we will put the which sign? Less than sign. Okay. So now Chavi, which purse she takes? She takes the purse B, which contains more money. That is 115 is more than 67, or 67 is less than 115. Okay. So understood? Always 3 digit is more than 2 digit. Okay. Now the questions are given in the book. Compare the numbers and use greater sign and the less than sign. I think you can do it. So keep this in mind. The number which has 3 digit is bigger than 2 digit. Okay. So do in your book page number 41. So let's move to the next page. So in the next page, page number 42, we are going to compare the numbers which have how many digits? 3 digits. When both has 3 digits, how we are going to compare the numbers? That means how we are going to see which number is big or which number is small. Okay. So let's read the first one. Keep your finger. Let us compare two numbers 527 and 643. Okay, so I have written both the numbers here. 527, 643. So both are 3 digit number. Next one, which of these two numbers is greater? So we have to find out which number is greater. Here each number has 3 digits. Okay. So let's see if we are comparing the numbers of 3 digits. First we will see the number that is in 100 place. Okay. So which number we will see? 5 and 6. Okay. So by comparing 5 and 6, which number is bigger? 6. So which is the greatest number here? Which is the greatest number? 643. So what we will write? Here we will write 643 is greater than 527. So here we have seen the number that is in hundreds place. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Keep your finger. Which of the two numbers 837 or 865 is greater? So how many numbers? Two numbers. 837, 865. So what I have told you in the 3 digit number, first we will see the number that is in hundreds place. So let's see the number in hundreds place. 8 and 8. Both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, we cannot find out which number is greater. So we will move to the next place, that is tens place. Let's see the numbers 3, 6. Okay. Now we have to see which number is greater, 3 or 6. So 6 is greater than 3. So we have got that 865 is greater than 837. Okay, so we will write 865 is greater than 837. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Okay, out of 932 and 938, which is less? Now here the question is asking which one is less, then that means which number is the smallest number. So let's see both the number 932 and 938. So first we will see the number which is in 100 place, 9 and 9. Now both the number is same. So we will see the number that is in tens place, 3 and 3. Now both the numbers are same. So we cannot find out which number is greater and which number is less. So let's see the numbers that is in ones place, 2, 8. Okay, now the both numbers are different. So here we have to find out which number is less. Okay, so now 2 is less than 8. Which one is small? 2. So we will write 932 is less than 938. Okay, this sign is less than, this sign is less than sign, and this sign is a greater than sign. When the question is asking less than, you have to write the number which is less. So this is the smallest number and we have put the sign like this. That means here this side we will write the number which is less and we will write the number which is great. Okay, now here we will write down the number which is greater. This number is big and this number is small. Always keep this in mind when we are writing the number this side of the arrow. That means this number is big and this number is small. So here also less than sign, this number is small and this number is big. Okay, so I think you have understood how you have to compare the 3-digit number and to find out the greater number and the smallest number. So, okay, so now your homework is do in page number 43. I will read the question. Compare orally and use greater than or less than or equal to make correct sentences. Okay, so one more symbol we will use. This is equal to. Equal to means when both the numbers are same, we use equal to. Okay, so do in your book page number 43. Now moving on to the page number 44. The challenge is given. Let's read what challenge. Okay, write the numbers that are. The question is asking first one. Okay, see in your book. Okay, so I have told you about the sign. Let's see again. Okay, so this sign is greater than sign. Which sign? This sign. The mouth is open this side, that means it is a sign of greater than. Then you can see this sign, the mouth is open that side, this is less than. Greater than, less than. So let's see the first question given in your book page number 44. Now this sign is given, that means we will say greater than. Greater than 125. That means the number which is more than 125 or the bigger than 125. And this sign is less than sign. So less than 130. That means we have to write down the numbers which is greater than 125, that is bigger than 125 or less than 130. So what are the numbers we can write which is more than 125? Let's see. After 125, 126, 127, 7, 128, 129. So after 129 what comes? 130. Can we write the number 131? No, because the question is asking we have to write the number which is less than 130. Understood? Let's do the next one. Number. This symbol is greater than, so we will read as greater than. The number greater than 822 means we have to write the numbers which is bigger than 828, but we have to also write the number which is less than 833. We have to write the numbers which is more than 828 but less than 833. So let's write down the number that comes after 828. So what numbers? 829, 830, 831, now 832. So after 832 which number comes? 833. So we have written all the numbers that comes between 828 and 833. Now moving on to the next question. Okay. Now this sign. Which sign is this? This sign is less than. That means we have to write the number which is less than 292. So we have to write down the number which is less than 292. And this sign is greater than sign. Okay. Now we have to write down the number less than 292 but more than 287. Okay. So we will do the backward counting here. We will write the number which is less than 292. So before 292 which number comes? 291. After that 290. Before 290, 288. Okay. Okay, there is a mistake. Before 290, 289, then 288. And before 288 what number comes? 287. So we have written all the numbers. If you will see, we have written this number in increasing order and this number in decreasing order. Okay. So let's do the last one. After that you can do in your book yourself. First see the sign. This sign is less than. So we have to write the number which is less than 110 and greater than 105. Okay. So again we will do the backward writing to 110. So before 110 what numbers come? 109, then 108, 106, 107, then 106, then 105. Okay. So before, when you will do page number 44, please write this above the book. Okay. When you will write here what is the symbol for greater than and what is the symbol for less than. Then do like this and write down the numbers that comes greater than or less than between the 3-digit number. Okay, I think you have understood. So in the next class I will meet you with the new topic. So do your homework in your book. Stay safe, stay home.